Hello kids, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a unicorn. So let's start. First, let's draw a eye that's closed, a unicorn that has a closed eye. Okay, so first, let's make a curve like this, Okay, there. Then make some triangles. 1, 2, 3. There. And let's color the triangles then. There. Now let's make a small circle that's like a dot. Make a small circle and color it there. Now let's make the shape of the face. Let's make this. Let's make this curve one here and then make a long. Then make another curve here and then make it up and do a long curve and then curve it down and connect it with a long curve. Now let's make the hair. The front here is going to be here. So we're going to make a line here and then make three triangles. 1, 2, 3. Then let's make the horn. Make it a little long. Okay, then make a small curve that's like a triangle curve. Then connect it down. Now let's make the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Now let's make this. Now let's make a curve and an S. Make an S with big tummy. Then let's make another curve and then let's make a curve that's connecting here. Then let's make a triangle. 2 triangles. 1, 2. There. Then let's make the hair back here. Okay, so let's make a long curve and then make it like a circle, a half circle. Then make a line here. Make some lines. Make 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Zigzag line.
It's a zigzag line, okay? Then let's make some lines. Okay, 1 line here. And then do it in here. Okay, here. Then another line here. Okay, there. So the red is going to be here, orange here, yellow here, and the green here, and the blue here. Oh, and to make another zigzag line, and then pretend it's connected to it. There. Then let's make this and the hair that's up. There. 1 here, line here, and a line here. There and here. So the red will be here, orange will be here, and yellow will be here. Then let's make the tail next. Make a big curve and this one almost like a circle. Then make a triangle and connect it to the body again. So we're going to make another short curve, and then make a short curve, then make a big curve until it gets there to the body. Now let's make the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, now it's there. Then let's make the feet. The legs, and also make lines for the hooves. Make a line here, and then make another line here. Okay, to make the hooves like it's under the fur legs, make a triangles. Make small triangles and wait until it's already here. Then let's make this one.
I think so. Lines.
Yes, you try zigzag lines, and you can also make some legs that are like this, and you can also make legs that are like this, and then draw some lines like the legs for hooves. You can also do that if you want, and then make a line again, and then make a line here. There. Then let's make another one, another straight line, and a small curve, and zigzags. There. Then let's make the same. Okay, a line, a short line this time, then a long line. There. Now let's do the same. Let's make the legs first before the hooves. Now let's the back legs, and make 2 lines. Another line here for the other leg, for the other back leg, and then make some zigzags. Now let's make the hooves. Okay, 1 short line here, and another short line here, and another one, and there. Now let's make the other one, the last one, there. Now, if you want to have wings, you can also make one, and it's also the same. You can make the wings close by just doing this, and then make the wings open with this. So I'm making them close. Make a long curve, then make some zigzags. There. Then let's make the same inside. Now let's make it the outside for a long one. Last zigzag. There. Now our unicorn is done. And if you want it, now let's color it. Well, unicorn is finally done. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell if you like this video, and thumbs up if you like it. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye!